This entire video was generated from a single sentence of text. The AI to do this is out there, but it's often locked behind walls of complex code. To build an app for this, you'd normally spend hours just reading dots like this. So today we're going to build a simple, user-friendly video generator from scratch. I will use an AI coding tool called Qoder to see if we can streamline this whole process. First, let's take a quick look at my MCP setup. As you can see here in my settings, I've enabled a few like Context 7 and Sequential Syncing MCP servers, which gives the AI its advanced reasoning abilities. Okay, with that setup, the first step in any project is giving the AI context. Now, in this case, from best practice, I found that the fetch MCP cannot directly access the API file because of logging restrictions. So I've done a quick manual preparation. Here I've summarized the key information from the API dot into this simple Markdown file with the help of Google Gemini. So I'm now adding it to the rules section of Qoder. Think of rules as permanent instructions. The AI will treat this file as source of truth for our entire project. Now that Qoder understands our API, we can start building. Let's kick things off with Qoder's main feature from building from scratch. Quest mode. I'm going to give a high-level mission for the entire application. So build a complete Gradio web app that provides a user-friendly interface for the 百链 text to video API based on the instructions in the rules file. And I'm telling him my API key is stored in a .env file. And here's the first major difference I've noticed compared to a workflow in a tool like Cursor. Instead of just creating files and then asking for code, Qoder starts with a technical design phase. This is really interesting. Before writing any code, it generated a complete technical specification based on the rules I gave it. This planning setup is great for complex tasks to make sure the AI and I are aligned on the architecture. This plan looks solid, so let's tell it to proceed. We might press start now. Now we are in the action flow phase. Qoder is executing the plan it just created. And the to-do list here shows its step-by-step process, which is a nice way to track progress. So here, the AI is autonomously working through its checklist. It's generating the project structure, writing the backend service, building Gradio UI, and even generating unit tests for the service it created. Now that all the steps are done, the quest automatically moves to the final phase, the task report. This is another very interesting feature. Qoder provides a structural summary of the entire task, an overview of the changes, test results, and diff of every file that are modified. So it's a formal code review setup for the AI work. So at the end, I will accept the changes and try to run the application here. I'm trying to make a final run here with all the command line setup. So I just yes, so let's try to paste the designed prompt here and to try if we can generate a beautiful video just like the beginning shows. Yeah, so back to the terminal, it seems that response status is indicated in the right way, and the script is pulling response from by the API. There you go. So this is our final result. We can see we from a single high-level prompt and one rule file, we have a working AI video applications, and the process was very structured, design, execution, and being well reviewed. So our app is built and working, but the project isn't truly done until it's documented. So what if a new developer joins the team? So this is where a feature in Qoder called Repo Wiki comes incredibly useful here. As you can see here, Repo Wiki can analyze an existing codebase to a document. So this is easy for someone who is new to this project to get familiar with the code in a very short time. So to sum up, for building a new project from a single idea, Qoder's Quest mode is introduced a very structured plan-first approach. And once the work is done, Repo Wiki can help document the result. It's a compelling end-to-end workflow. So this is my first look at Qoder. Let me know in comment what you think of this structured approach to AI development. And I will put all the links and the GitHub repo of this project into the description. Thanks for watching.